Hey guys, welcome back. So basically, this is our ninth video for fashion illustration. So in my last video, I explained this figure without hands, how to draw this posture like walking posture. So in today's video, again I will explain how to draw a pose. Again, it's basically female figure. So later on, we will learn male figure as well, or different body parts. And different body parts means like hand gestures, and even if you want other profiles like side view, back view, 3/4 view, I will teach you that as well. So let's start. So again, take the normal measurements as usual. So 10 hertz, right, as normal. So now again I'm going to make a front view. This time I'm going to do a little bit different with the head. So somebody suppose looking different direction, down or looking up or even left right, the pose is going to be a front pose, but the face is slightly off from the center line. Like off means don't consider it like somewhere else, like looking somewhere else. The particular female or model, suppose she going to look somewhere like left, right. So how can you draw it, right? So this is our balance line. So now suppose I'm going to draw the head here. So just again make a rough, or you can say a robotic figure, the way I used to draw. If you're comfortable, if you find any technique where you're comfortable with, you can use that as well. The end result is going to matter. So right, suppose looking down. So I'm going to erase the line. Looking down means this is our actually center line for the face. Looking down means the horizontal line should be like this, like towards down. If somebody looking up, then it will be something like this. So right. So again, I'm not going to add facial expressions or facial features. So the pose. Now the the collarbone. So I'm shifting a little bit. So collarbone, as usual, it's going to be from the center balance line, going to always pass through the center front, so the collarbone line. So now you have to mark the center front line. So according to your pose, like whatever you pose you imagine, just according to that you need to draw the center front, and according to the center front you have to decide the shoulder lines and all the postures, right? So suppose I'm going to mark something like this. Suppose here is the collarbone center, and the center front line, basically I'm making it little bit lighter, so you can easily able to see it. So yeah, so the center front line is like will going something like this. Okay, again I'm making a dotted line, slightly curved, like almost C-shaped, and the crotch, this is a crotch level 4 1/4, and this is half. So the crotch is going to be almost on the middle, like on the balance line. So now because the head is I'm looking downward, so I'm making the pose something like this. The shoulder is, left shoulder is up, right shoulder is down, right? And again it's going to be the waistline and hip line going to be opposite to the shoulder line, and the bust line going to be parallel with the shoulder line, right? So this is our burst line, or you can just make two circles. So whatever you're comfortable with. Again, just draw the line. No, draw it parallel. Otherwise, it will look slightly odd. So now the waistline, right? Waist basically are 3. Third is our waistline. So again, waist up, right? Now hip line. So 4 is basically our hip line. So hip line will be like parallel to the waistline. Now we have to decide the pose. So I already explained in my previous videos, if where the hip line or waistline is higher, that particular leg, all the weight going to be at that particular leg. So it's basically the leg has to be very straight or very close to the balance line. Otherwise, the female model or any model, if not taking any support of any particular wall or any stick or any bar or anything, she or he will going to fall. So the particular model, if not supported with anything, so the balance line will determine how the the body or the figure is actually balancing herself or himself. So now the waist or hip line. So now we will decide what like the knee line. So knee line always going to be parallel with the waistline or hip line. So just connect the crotch with hip line with a slight curve. Now here is a joint, knee joint. So the right side leg going to be straight on this particular pose. You can try different poses according to your needs. So if you like these videos, do share with your friends so they also can learn fashion figures, or if they want to learn or pursue their career in this particular field, like as a fashion designer or illustrator or anything related to fashion. So it will going to help you very very in good way. So here is the feet. Now this is basically our free. The left side leg is free. So whatever you pose you want, like if you want to like something this or like bend, whatever you pose you can create with the left side leg, because that's free. So I'm creating like a bend, slightly going back side of in front. So it will slightly go like bend, the knee going to be slightly bent. So here, and the ankle going to be like this, and the heel and the toe, heel is will angle towards left side. So in case if you find something incorrect not in the figure while I'm talking, so just ignore, because I'm not much used to make videos in English, so sorry for that. And the hand posture you can again create according to your requirement. So something like just putting on hip or waist, or just straight, whatever you want to. First I will going to explain hands in different video, like the way I explained legs. So then we will come to the whole properly, like complete figures. So I will also add hands and proper arms, like proper fingers, so that it will help you to learn hands as well with the complete figure. So now let's do the final figure. So slightly I'm going to I'm zooming in. So head same without any features. So it's basically slightly 3/4 face. So chin, and ear level, now neck. So here is the collarbone. So first draw the collarbone. According to the collarbone, you need to add the neck. So neck will look something like this, and slightly add muscles around the neck. Not very large amount, very small amount. I hope you're able to see it. So I'm making the guidelines slightly lighter more. Yeah. So here is the person looking downward. So again, the horizontal line, just make the cross here. So now body. So again curves. So curve, draw the curves. Like properly balance according to the center front line. Do not overlap the bust level or the curves. So make sure they are properly, if you're creating according to a figure, just try to maintain the gap between two curves and parallel to the shoulder line. Right now the waist part. So this side it's slightly going to stretch like this. So and this side it's like something like this, waist level. So I'm going to zoom out slightly. So waist, now hip level, so according to the leg pose, now this line has to be very curved, like because due to the hip curve. Now knee joint, we will add detail later. Now I'm making the whole outline first. So calf muscle, ankle joint, here's the crotch, knee, knee detailing, and the other side muscle like shin bone. If you have any doubt related to anything, like any drawing related or designing related, you are free to ask. Just write down in my comment section, or you can even message to my Insta handle, so that I can help you out through my videos, or even if possible I will reply you so that it will be going to slightly easier for you to understand designing and sketching. So feet. Now the other leg. First draw the waist, and waist is going to be slightly narrow. Waist is basically narrow point, in male or female both. Definitely in male is slightly wider than female, but in both cases the waist is very narrow, especially for fashion figures illustrations. If you're making normal figure, human figure, that I will teach you later. Different type of body types, like if somebody is healthy and somebody is thin, so how it's going to affect the overall body shape. So in case if you want to use a particular type of human figures in your composition, so it will be helpful for you. So now hip and the left side, the waist and hip. So hip again यहाँ पे sorry curve. So it's basically like this, because the leg is going backside, so now it's slightly folded, so the thigh muscles are going to be contract, so it will look slightly curved. So inside line and outside line, so slightly, not too much curve, just slightly. And draw the hip curve, sorry, pelvic crotch. So now the bottom part, so knee facing downside, and detailing going to be look something like this, and the calf muscle is like, no need to draw a whole leg because it's going to overlap. So here particular knee level, basically it's a knee cap, so it's going to be slightly pointed, not too much, not sharp point like elbows, slightly, like not smooth actually. So just draw the ankle and finally the heel and toe part. So I hope you get how to draw this particular pose. Do try different poses. Later on I will add different, you can use these figures, or I will teach new figures as well, where I will add hands to it and proper fingers to it. So thank you so much for watching. Do subscribe to my channel if you are new to my channel, and share this video with your friends so that they can also learn figures. So thank you so much once again. See you soon at a new video. Take care and goodbye.